Maayong udto mga kabisaya ako. So diya may matalom na bilin pa me. Oh. Mga nabisaas kanigaw. Nawas pa nun. Mo na yung mga nabilis kanigaw.
Pasa na nakasuwat mo. Man. Kay giihap mo.
Dito ibilin na tulo.
Dali nagtulo. Isa na ibilin po ng beer.
Ha?
Ibilin po beer. Kasi kalingan mo.
Ha?
Magkuhala si
Debbie.
Aboy yan.
Yes. We got another reggae flavor from Philippines. Come on. This banana barrow in the marketplace. Molly is the singer in the back. And this man say to Molly, girl, I like you face. And Molly say that if she takes him by the hand. Oh, the D, oh, the da, life goes on. La la la, life goes on. Oh, the D, oh, the da, life goes on. La la la, life goes on. This man take a trolley to the jewelry store. Buy a 20-carat golden ring. I take it back to Molly waiting at the door. And as he gets to her, she begins to sing. Hello, I say, already, oh, the da, life goes on. La la la, life goes on. Oh, the oh, the da, life goes on. La la la, life goes on. In a couple of years, they have built a home sweet home. With a couple of kids running in the yard. On this morning, Molly. Made a house forever after in the marketplace. This one let the children lay down. Yeah. Molly say you're coming as a pretty face. And in the evening, she still dancing with the band.
So, maayo un. Nice dah. Ada tak? Oh. Tolo. Ha? Ako na video oy. Tara. Shout out ko sa taga-tagnaan mo pag ituloy.